Hi guys, in this video I'm going to showcase you how to find a duplicate values using Python, and this is like example I have utilized with help of list of dictionary containing the duplicate entries, guys. Okay, I have used a dictionary. In that it contain items, so the items contain few duplicates. So let me explain the code before this one. So guys, this code define a function find duplicate that take a list of dictionaries as an input. And how it is working, like for example, initializing an empty list duplicate to store the found duplicates. Okay, I'm just initializing empty list duplicate, then I will storing the founded duplicates inside this one. This is the one. Okay, here I'm okay, I have initialized the one variable and it contain, it will store the founded duplicates. Then creating a set of to keep track of unique entries encoded as a so far. So sets are efficient for membership checks. So iterating through data. So I have utilized the for loop here. I want to iterating this list. So that is the reason I have utilized this for loop. So whenever iterating the each item in a data, so based on this data, I am creating one variable, converting dictionary to hash table to set up membership check. So I'm creating one variable tuple.item.item. So if item tuple is seen, duplicate append.item. Else seen add item tuple, return duplicates. So this is the exact actual logic which we are going to find the duplicate. And here one more thing, guys. If it is present, it means the duplicate form. The dictionary item is appended to the duplicate. This is the actual logic. If item tuple is in seen in, so this variable in seen in duplicate dot append dot item. Else seen dot add item tuple return duplicates. So this is actual logic which I am explaining here. So returning after returning through all entries, the function return the list of duplicate content, the identified duplicate dictionary. The approach uses set of efficient membership check and avoid external libraries like Panda. So guys, I have not utilized any libraries here. Based on that only native Python code, we find the duplicates. Now find and print out duplicates. So I'm creating one duplicate variable. Inside find duplicate data, whatever I'm getting data set here, print duplicate entry. For entry in duplicates, print entry. So call to is the having column 1, okay, to column to B. This is the duplicate which is telling clearly. Okay, so this is about to find out the duplicate entries using Python, guys. And guys, this is a series of Python utilization for data engineering series. So please go through the previous videos also. I have added included more. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.